What's inventory levels like right now?
Jamie, you're exactly right on that topic of the prices holding their value, and the creation of new products is very slow. Everything's backed up on docks, and we're all hearing it. The COVID pandemic has put us through that. Inventory right now, it's somewhat on the lower level, and it's holding its value, but we're constantly turning inventory over and over again. With at Aero Trucks, with the 18 locations that we have, our buyers are heavily buying, constantly buying new products or used products to put on our lots and feature. So
Yeah,
we have
new
that
to them, right?
exactly, and we have a little bit of extra buying power when it does come to that, having so many locations here across the U.S. and Canada.